Now, in the thick of the Lok Sabha election battle, Karnataka's sex scandal controversy has rocked politics in the state and is finding resonance nationally. Now, the controversy erupted after several videotapes containing explicit and often sexually abusive material allegedly involving JDS MP, who's now suspended, and HD Devegowda's grandson Prajwal Revanna. These videos started doing the rounds in Hassan. Now, the state police filed an FIR naming Prajwal's father, HD Revanna, in the case as well. And Siddaramaiah government also formed an SIT to probe these allegations. But JDS MP, who was once again a candidate from the seat of Hassan, where the elections took place in phase 2, recently flew to Germany just as the allegations began to mount. Now we are getting breaking news development. Just minutes ago, Prajwal Revanna was suspended by the JDS. Now listen in to what HD Kumaraswamy said after JDS took that decision.
ಅಮಾನತುಗೊಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಎಸ್ಐಟಿಯ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಆದೇಶ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಸ್ಐಟಿ ತನಿಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ವರದಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಕ್ರಮ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂತ ವಿಷಯ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರ್ ಕಮಿಟಿಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಉದ್ದೇಶ.
Times Now has also accessed the formal JDS suspension letter, and we are going to read out contents from that letter. As per the letter, which is on your screens, one excerpt of it says that Hassan MP Prajwal Revanna allegedly committing atrocities on women. Now, these videos have been circulating on social media, and this has dented the party and the leadership. Now, in this letter, the party announces its decision to suspend Prajwal Revanna. So Prajwal Revanna has now been suspended, but there appears to be more to the case than has been revealed so far. In particular, when it comes to the Congress party, which has been continuously attacking the BJP and JDS, and now the Congress party is facing heat and facing questions because some allegations have surfaced that it had the evidence against Prajwal Revanna months ago, but only chose to act now because of elections. Amit Shah flagged this when he spoke in Guwahati this morning, also spelled out that the BJP has zero tolerance when it comes to atrocities against women. Listen to what the Home Minister said.
हम देश की मातृशक्ति के साथ खड़े हैं, देश की नारी शक्ति के साथ खड़े हैं। नरेंद्र मोदी जी का पूरे देश को एक कमिटमेंट है कि कहीं पर भी मातृशक्ति के अपमान को सहन नहीं किया जाना। सरकार कांग्रेस पार्टी की है। फेक वीडियो आपके ध्यान में ही होंगे क्योंकि टाइम पर रिलीज किए गए हैं। और अब तक कार्यवाही कांग्रेस पार्टी ने क्यों नहीं की? कार्यवाही हमने नहीं करनी है। ये लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का इश्यू स्टेट का इश्यू है। प्रियंका जी हमसे सवाल पूछ रही है, मैं प्रियंका जी को कहना चाहता हूं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी और मुझसे सवाल पूछने की जगह आपके मुख्यमंत्री उप मुख्यमंत्री को सवाल करिए। और हमारे साथी दल जेडीएस ने भी उन पर कदम उठाने की घोषणा की है। कठोर से कठोर कदम उठाने चाहिए। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का स्टैंड अपर है।
Now, as the controversy snowballs, we also got visuals from a few minutes ago where a ruckus broke out between the JDS and the Congress, and Imran was covering that protest which took place. Imran, this protest and this ruckus ensued in Hubballi. Now, in Hubballi too, Neha Hiremat's murder has become a big talking point. But currently in the state of Karnataka, it is the JDS and the NDA which is facing heat over the sex scandal involving Prajwal Revanna. His party has suspended him. But what happened during those protests? Why was there that chaos between JDS and Congress?
Well, the JDS had a core committee meeting here, and after which the I beg your pardon, H.D. Kumaraswamy held a press conference, and as soon as he finished a press conference at the Denison Hotel here, he came down along with party leaders. Immediately a crowd of Congress supporters came here protesting against JDS. They tried to get off Kumaraswamy's vehicle, but he was taken away by the cops, and then we saw that there was a fight ensued between JDS and Congress workers. It was both the sides heckled each other. The cops really had a hard time controlling the crowd. The Congress workers said that they have, even though they do not have permission, they have come here to protest against Prajaral Revana's actions, and they wanted to raise the voice about women who he has sexually abused. And now the JDS workers agitated over it, started shouting Modi, Modi, and they both had came face to face with each other. Some
all right,
even
something
had
still
16
happening
blows.
around you, Imran.
We saw that how the crowd was coming. Yes, the crowd is, the cops are trying to control the crowd. They managed to take Congress workers into preventive detention. Now the JDS workers are agitated against the government, saying that this was completely orchestrated by the administration and the Congress party, and they're angry that despite being a private property, the cops allowed the Congress workers to come here, and they didn't stop them at the gate itself.
If you could just get a sense of what's happening around you currently, because we see some movement there, Imran. Some more workers, and I believe they're workers of the JDS who are now around you, and they were just raising some slogans. If you could just get us a live update.
Well, yes, the JDS workers were agitated over it that the district administration allowed the protest to continue. Sara Mahesh, the former JDS minister, is here, and he is blamed the administration over this entire issue, what happened, and he's claiming that the entire thing was orchestrated along with the deputy chief minister permission, that in a JDS event, in a private event, Congress workers were allowed. Now the cops are trying to control the JDS crowd to come near the gate where the Congress workers are. They were taken from inside the premises and they were taken outside. They were taken to prevented detention and taken outside the building. Now the Congress JDS workers are saying that they should be arrested and action should be initiated against officers who let this happen.
All right, so on the ground there, that's Imran reporting from Hubballi. On the ground there, you saw there was ruckus that ensued between JDS and Congress. Congress workers for now have been taken into preventive custody, but there still seems to be some action out there. But now let's tell you what the JDS has done. The allegation against Prajaral Revana was also echoed by H.D. Kumaraswamy and BJP leader Amit Malviya. In fact, Kumaraswamy had accused the Congress of sitting on the probe for political gains, while Amit Malviya of the Bharatiya Janata Party fired a list of questions. Malviya goes on to ask, what did DK Shivakumar do about the videos for all these months? Did DK Shivakumar report it to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah? He also went on to ask, did Priyanka Vadra know that these videos were made public even before probe? And then he went on to accuse the Congress of prioritizing politics over women's misery. Rajiv Chandrasekhar also raised that the fact that JDS was till not long ago in alliance with the Congress party. Listen.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।